Divide a given line AB into 5 equal parts by the construction method. So, draw a line of the given measurement or a random line if no measurement is given. So, let's draw a line of 8 centimeters. Then, draw an acute angle of any measurement and take a random distance in your compass and draw 5 arcs, as the question has asked us to divide the line into 5 parts. Now join this last point to the end of the line. Now we have to draw 4 lines from these points parallel to this line. For this, draw an arc joining these both lines like this, and from the same distance draw arcs on all these points. Now cover this distance of the arc and draw more arcs on all of these. Now join this intersecting point to the arc similarly with this one. Same with all, like this, and the last one. These are the points dividing our line. So our line AB divided into 5 equal parts.